Hello guys and welcome to Top Express. My name is Austin. I'm just going to be talking about today movement of the coin and where we are expecting to see our downtrend and our support zone. Exactly what we are expecting in the market today. That is just what I'm going to be talking about. So right now we are seeing that Bitcoin is approaching another resistance level. Although we are having a downtrend. The morning star shoot the market this morning and send it towards the uptrend, and at this point right here we are seeing a W pattern in the sense that Bitcoin has to come down to this zone of 2600 or probably drop to 2100, and we're going to be having another expectation down towards this zone of 2600. If Bitcoin is going to make a retest, the morning star right here, that was what pumped Bitcoin this morning, and at the same time the W pattern is forming. So we are going to be adjusting our support zone to a resistance. We are adjusting our support zone to a resistance. So without wasting much of your time, we are adjusting our support zone to a resistance. There is another resistance up there, and then let's check if there is another resistance back again, so we could clearly see what Bitcoin is going to be encountering at the main time. So okay, here we come. Look at another resistance up there. Like I've always said, we are having a resistance at 22,600. We are having a resistance at 22,600. So we are having a resistance at 22,600. We should be adjusting to this point right here. This point of 21,600. So we should be moving our resistance up to this point of 21,600, because if Bitcoin cross 21k, another resistance is going to be up here at this point of 21,600. That is why we're going to be having another challenge, and if we break out of this point of 21,600, we will be heading towards 22,800. That is what we are going to be expecting in the market so far. That's what we're going to be expecting in the market so far before we come to this resistance of 22,600 right there. That is what we are going to be expecting in the market. So like I said, we keep an eye on the market since it is weekend, and at the same time the Federal Reserve meeting is going to be holding any 3 days or 4 days from now. Okay, that should be 3 days. 21 hours the Federal Reserve meeting is going to be holding. So we keep an eye on the market. Like I said, Bitcoin might be dropping. Okay, possibly we drop to this point of 20k. If 20k does not hold, that means we are going to be coming to 21. No, we're going to be coming to 19k. 19,100 or 19k, 19,900. That is where the market is going to be keeping up. So as we take a very good look, we are using the daily, the hourly time frame. So you could see this is the Bitcoin dominant. The Bitcoin dominant at the same time is making a U-turn. You could see it has approached another resistance level. It has approached another support zone, and that support zone here, we believe at this support zone the market should be having a retest back towards the upside. So like I said, this point right here, at this point right here, the market will be coming back to this zone here. We'll be coming back to this zone of 7.42%. The market should be coming back to this point of 7.42%. In that sense, Bitcoin is going to be forming all the W pattern that we saw on the daily, on the hourly time frame. So once Bitcoin comes back to this point of 72.42%, okay, 7.42%, there will be another downtrend again. How this Bitcoin dominant work in the sense that when the market is going down, people seem to take their money out to USDT, And whenever you see USDT dropping, it means people are taking their money out of USDT. So this should be another support zone. Yeah, that should be another support zone for the Bitcoin dominant. That should be another the USDT dominant. That should be another support zone. That should be another target, and this is what we are expecting in the market so far. Okay, here comes the Federal Reserve meeting. The next FOMO. This is what we are holding on to. The last time it didn't favor us that much. You could see how the market dropped. The market dropped, huge drop to the market dropped to the point of 18,200 and then pumped back up again to 19,700 before there was another drop. But I do believe this time around it's going to favor us. At the same time, as Elon Musk has purchased Twitter and is favorable to Dogecoin. So here is the Bybit. So guys, for those of you that are looking to trade, make sure you use the Bygate account. Use the Bygate account so you get all the amazing bonuses that we have for today. Looking to trade the market, whether you're shorting or you're longing, so you make sure you use our Bygate account to trade the market. Okay, so yeah, this is the daily time frame, guys. This is the daily time frame. You could see on the daily time frame we are still consolidating. Bitcoin has not yet broke towards the upside or the downside. We are still consolidating into this particular zone here. We are still consolidating. We have not break towards the upside, nor have we break towards the downside. So what we are expecting today, that was the last dump that came, that took Bitcoin to 18,200, and then the morning star, which came out about some days ago, pumped Bitcoin towards the upside. So what we are expecting in the market today isn't much. Yeah, what we are expecting in the market today is not much. If Bitcoin breaks above our point of 22,800, that means we'll be having an uptrend. That means the bull market will be definitely confirmed. We'll be having an uptrend if Bitcoin breaks towards the upside.